At GES, we require a highly skilled workforce to help us grow our business and put us on a par with global competitors. This new mega degree apprenticeship model, funded by the department, bodes well for the future of industry in Northern Ireland. Through this route, we'll be working in partnership with Mega and with Ulster University. And we'll be tapping into the university's research expertise at CIDRA in the years ahead, thanks to the Derry and Strabane City deal. That City deal funding is hugely positive for the North West region and for Northern Ireland as a whole. Through collaboration and everyone playing their part, we in industry will be contributing to the regeneration of the region, and that's something we feel we should be really proud of.